Let's talk about WMF Mini Frying Pan 18 cm. Content: Frying pan 18 cm optimal for stovetops with 18 cm. Item number 0718806041. Suitable for all stove types, including induction ovens. TransTherm-Allherdboden, patented floor construction with even heat distribution and extended heat storage for energy-efficient cooking. Material: Cromargan Stainless Steel Rust-Free 1810 Dishwasher Safe, easy to clean, tasteless and acid-resistant. Perfect for searing at high temperatures. Wide pouring edge for drip-free pouring. Ergonomic stainless steel handle for safe handling. Cleaning, dishwasher safe. Developed in Germany. Heat resistant up to 250 C. I wanted to find a range of pans which were high quality, induction compatible, affordable, and attractive. I'm happy to report that the WMF TransTherm line covers all of those options. The build quality is excellent, since it's 1810 stainless steel and not the slightly cheaper 201 stainless which manufacturers are switching to these days. The flared non-drip rim makes it easy to pour things, sauces, soups into bowls without soiling the outside of the pan. The handle is minimalist, stylish and comfortable and useful if you want to hang the pan from a hook. This size is great for 12 servings of pasta or soup, or boiling up to 10 large eggs. I've purchased several more in the same range and really enjoy using I am a fan on WMF and have got a WMF set worth $250 already, so with the impression I have bought this pan hoping that it would be as same as the set I already own, but to my shock within just a day after used it twice this pan tend to get burnt outside, kinda looks brown on the outside. No matter how many times or how hard I wash it, it doesn't help. Now I am thinking of returning if they would accept. This is the ideal size cookware when you don't want to cook huge proportions or you are catering for 1-2 people. I also chose WMF because I know this company and am familiar with its famous products. Their kitchen products are reliable, sturdy, fit for use. Materials used are first class. If they weren't, then I am sure by now I would have suffered fires or possibly burnt down the building, as I have to confess of leaving more than once. A near-empty pot on top of a lit gas stove for more than 1 hour. Pot was not damaged and also cleaned up remarkably well, so I would recommend this make. Not cheap but something you can rely on and will still be good in 10-30 years from